Hello again everyone, Dr. Dan Bockmann here. Today, I want to talk about the very best exercise for low back pain. Now, here's the problem. That is a trick statement or a trick question because there is no one right exercise for back pain. Why is that? Well, what does exercise do? Let's look at what an exercise tool does. It strengthens a muscle that's weak. Now guess what? Not everybody has the same weak muscle. Some people have, a weak piriformis or a weak QL or a weak glute medius. And others have other problems, all of which can lead to back pain in the first place. So therefore, the right exercise for back pain is the exercise that strengthens the specific deficit that patient has that is leading toward their back pain. So again, if we think of muscles as being the primary support system and protector of low backs, then therefore any weak muscles we might find around the back are therefore not doing their job protecting you and allowing you to potentially get hurt. Therefore, we need to identify the weak ones first, then plug in the fixes for those things. That's how you choose the right exercise for back pain. It's looking at the weak ones. Otherwise, we're just trying to do a cookie cutter approach for everyone, and no wonder no one can decide or settle on a particular exercise that is for back pain, because it needs to be fit to the actual problem. So in short, there is no one, it's not Pilates, that's not the secret answer, and it's not yoga, and it's not CrossFit or Orange Theory. The right exercise to fix low back pain is the exercise that addresses your specific strength deficits, which we can assess easily as doctors, and very often you can figure that out on your own too. So here's how I treat the core muscle group, which is the main supporter of the back. Basically, if you think about it, your back can only move in 3 planes, right? In this plane, you can crunch forward and backward. In this plane, you can lean side to side. And in this plane, you can twist side to side. So really, that is 6 different movements, right? And there are muscles whose job it is to protect you in all 6 movements. Therefore, any good core program needs to address all 6 against resistance. And I say that because a lot of core programs you'll find really heavily emphasize flexion and relatively neglect the rest of them, which means you're vulnerable to injury in those other movements. Not only that, but very often these same core programs will have you do 5 or 6 different versions of crunches or leg raises or bicycles or sit-ups or wall climb or mountain climbers. It goes on and on. Front planks. All of these are mostly flexion exercises. So there's no need to do 6 different versions. Just pick one and you've hit that movement and then go on and hit all the others. So that's why for my patients I develop a core program of 6 exercises that hits all 6. Only takes about 10 minutes to do, and you don't need any equipment to do it. It covers all the bases. So hopefully that clears up why there is no one best exercise for low back pain. If you have thoughts or comments on this, leave it in the comments section below. If you have a video you'd like me to shoot on a particular topic, leave that as a comment below. Until next time, I will see you guys here.